Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to redeem latest promotions for Hellofresh meals. So without being said guys, let's get started with today's video. So the first step is to visit the Hellofresh website. Go to the official Hellofresh website or open the Hellofresh application on your device. The following step is to create or log in into your account. If you are a new user, sign up for an account. Existing users can log in with their credentials. The third step is to browse promotions. Look for the promotions or offer section, usually highlighted on the home page or under a dedicated tab. The second last option is to select a promotion. Click on the promotion you wish to redeem to view its details and terms. Ensure that it applies to the meal plan that you want. The last step is to apply the code at checkout. So once you are ready to place your order, enter the promotional code in the designated field during checkout to receive your discount. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then consider subscribing. With that being said guys, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.